Hello everyone, how are you? Now I am going to talk about consistency concept of accounting. The consistency concept of accounting refers to, it's clear by its name actually. Consistency means similarity or same. It means whoever records the financial transaction should consider whatever the rules, policies, ideology that he or she is following to record the financial transaction should be same year to year. It should not be changed until and unless there is certain circumstances or there are certain emergencies. Because if there is consistency in the rules and regulations, policies, ideologies adopted for recording the financial transactions, there will be comparability of accounting statements year to year basis or periodically. So it's very simple to understand. Consistency concept implies that there should be consistency, similarity in policy, methods, whatever adopted by the accountant or financial bookkeeper on periodical basis. For example, there are various methods of depreciating assets and recording it into the books of account. For example, fixed installment method and diminishing balance method are some of the popular method for depreciating the fixed assets. So, if any particular year fixed installment method is used to depreciate the fixed assets of the company, it is said under the consistency concept that the same method has to be implemented in all the upcoming years to depreciate that particular asset until and unless there is certain emergencies or circumstances occurred. I hope I am able to clarify the concept of consistency in accounting. Thank you. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it so that I can bring conceptual and clear videos in my upcoming videos. Also press the bell icon. Thank you.